Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As the spring season started, I thought of mowing my lawn. When I tried to start my lawn mower, it didn't start. You can see I have Power Smart self-propelled lawn mower and the model number is on the screen. If you have the same model number and your lawn mower is not starting to, one of the common reason could be spark plug. To check that, we need to open these three screws. Unscrew it, pull it out and keep it aside. Here we have a filter. I already cleaned that up, but I wanted to show it to you. Let me show. So this was fully packed with the grass. I cleaned that up. You can check yours. If you think that is reusable, you can clean it and put it back or replace it based upon the condition. This guy can also come out. I also cleaned that up with the blower. It has plenty of dust. You can check this part too. If you think this can be reusable, reuse or replace it. But first I wanted to see if my lawn mower is working or not. Let's check the spark plug now. You just can twist it and pull it out. Clean up the spark plug knob. I already cleaned this up. Earlier it has a lot of dust. Once you clean it, put it back. Make sure you tight it up. It shouldn't be loose at all. If this helps, well and good. Otherwise you have to pull it out and clean from the other side. In my case that wasn't needed. You have to give it a try for a couple of times because it hasn't been started for a while. It may gonna take some time. Here you go, it started. Thanks for watching the video. Please do let me know in the comment section if it was helpful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.